Orion is your project team, a single agent that can work with you to complete your projects. Orion plans, organizes, executes, updates, maintains and completes your projects. In this example, we'll build the foundations for a webnovel project. I've already created a project folder for the Eternal Love webnovel. All files and folders for this project will be organized in this folder. Skills make Orion into a specialist for specific types of projects or tasks. For this project, we'll select the webnovel author expert skill. You can also create your own custom skills using the Skills Creator feature in Orion. With this, you can make Orion into a specialist team for any type of project. We'll explore this cool feature in another video. I already have a rough outline for the Eternal Love webnovel which I have pasted in the idea file here. This is around 9 pages long of a rough idea, but you can start with just a single line description or even with tens of files or even a full story Bible. Even if you've already written tens or hundreds of chapters, and you have writer's block, you could get Orion to continue from where you got stuck, and it will write in your tone and ensure continuity and consistency of your story. So now I have selected the idea file in the chat so that Orion knows which file I am talking about. You can select one or multiple files. You can even point to whole folders. Orion will read through the material that you referenced and perform the task using these as a knowledge base. I asked Orion to plan the webnovel based on my outline. I send my instructions and we can see how Orion executes the task. We can observe everything that Orion is doing in real time. This way, we can see how Orion produced its final results. And if there are mistakes, we know where and why they happened and how to fix them. Here we can see the plan that Orion has drawn out to create the planning documents for the Eternal Love webnovel. We can also see the tools that Orion is using to perform the task. Everything is updated in real time. Here we see that Orion has created the planning documents for the Eternal Love webnovel. All the documents are properly arranged. You can review the planning documents that Orion created and either edit them yourself or have Orion edit them until you are satisfied before writing the chapters. After completing the task, Orion updates the to-do list and summarizes what it has done. And with a single prompt and in a few short minutes, you've created the complete story Bible for your webnovel. You can then review it and modify it as you wish. You don't have to worry about changes in one part of the plan breaking the continuity and consistency of the story. Just tell Orion and it will manage this for you.